Welcome to my video. Good
One,
morning.
we're going to explore the benefits of multimedia and ICT or information and communication technology.
What is multimedia? Multimedia is the use of different form of media such as text, image, audio, video, graphics, animation, combined together to present or communicate information in a clear and engaging way. Example include educational video, website with image, sound, video games, and presentation. What is ICT? ICT or Information and Communication Technology refers to technologies and tools to collect, store, process, share, and communicate information. Examples computer, internet, mobile phone, software, application, and digital communication system. Now let's know their benefits. Benefits of multimedia. Number 1. Enhancing learning and understanding. Multimedia combine text, image, audio, video, animation, making lesson or information easier to understand and remember. Number 2. Support different learning styles. Some people learn best by reading, others listening or watching. Multimedia sitter the oldest style. Benefits of ICT. Increasing access to information, people can quickly find new research and resources, anything taught the internet. Improve communication. ICT make communication faster and easier taught email messaging apps and video calls. These benefits highlight how multimedia and ICT can be transformed various aspects of life, from education and communication to productivity and entertainment. I hope you learned something for today. Goodbye.